can use sorting it. And in this case, as we see, we use server models. And in practical application, we can also use STM32, which is expensive, but we can use Arduino, which is one of the best and cheap. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hope everyone is doing great in your life. This is Jalasnik, this is Zala Shabazz, this is Abdullah Idris, and this is Saad Ijaz. Today we are presenting a project which is a control system where we do a complete loop in a sense using computer vision and embedded system. In this project, we firstly train the model, which are boxes. One is brush and one is comb. Whenever the box is in the box array, please come in close. Focus it. Whenever the box is in the box array, that motor will be on, as you can see, and it pushes, and it also increment the object that of box count is 1. Now let's do another example. Whenever the brush is in the brush array, not in this array, in this array, that motor on and pushes back. No problem. Also in this project, we decided to make it different and align it with the industry. Whenever the detection started, an email generated and sent to the stakeholders. In that email contains starting time and detection source, and sending that detection has been started. And whenever the detection has been ended, an email also generated. In that email, the starting time of detection, the ending time of detection, how many objects like boxes, how many boxes detected, how many comb detected, how many brushes detected, a complete description sent, and there is also a CSV file where we save all the statistics where we getting using this project. That CSV file contains starting time, ending date, ending time, and box count and etc. Thank you very much. And this is the control loop where and its application where we can use sorting it. And in this case, as we see, we use servo motors. And in practical application, we can also use STM32, which is expensive, but we can use Arduino, which is one of the best and cheap.
The software implementation of the project. Here is the function where I am calling, and where here is the main function which has the function of drawing everything. Here is some global variables, and here is the function for creating directories, like for the sake of saving videos and logs. Here is I initialize the email integration, and here is the function for logging, like which time on and which date the detection has started. And here is the log session, where in that log session, a Python using pandas data frame. I created a data frame where we save start date, start and start time, and end date. And here is a function for checking whether the detected object is in rectangle or not, and here is the function for checking whether that object crossed the line or not. After crossing that line, then we will increment in the count. And here is the function to get points, like we are using a mouse function uh, to draw lines and rectangles. Here is the region. After getting points from this, that point will be passed to this function, and this will draw lines and boxes. And here is the object count function, and this is the main function where we calling the model and implementing. And here is the thing which is interacted with the microcontroller. Here is whenever the box detected, sent one command for box ID one. Like serial dot write means using the serial port com. Every laptop has a com port, and using that port, one signal will be sent to the STM, and if the brush detected, then two will be sent. And here is the some things to see whether that is in their ROI or not. And here is the function to see whether they are in uh, count, to see how many counts they are have. And here is the process video, where is the we have to give video source, model path, com. If it's not selected, then it will be a content. It could be anything. It depends upon your laptop. You have what you have to need to do to see. You have to press Windows X and going to the Windows Manager. And here is the target height, target width, and output FPS. How many FPS you want. And here is your function, calling the function. Here is the baud rate, which will be incorporated with the STM32. And here is some you can say video processing. And here is the end of logging. After that, let's go to the IAR software, where we have the code. Here is the STM32 code, which is used to communicate between the STM32 and the microcontroller, and doing operations according to the condition. We are enabling USAR2, which is a universal synchronous asynchronous receiving and transmission. And here we initializes the pins. Here we initializes the baud rate, which is same as in the Python code. Here is some configuration files, configurations. And here we set the servo 1, servo 2. And we make a function move servo, and where we have to give the servo number, starting and end, and delay, like how what's the speed of the servo motor. And here we initialize this. And here initialize we use sort and time delay init initialization. And here we if and here we initializes the pin pack, where we put the pins to the STM32 interfacing pins. And here we set servos neutral. Like whenever you start the program, it might be possible that your servo motor is at angle of 47 degrees. So to push back it to its original position, we use this function. So now let's start run this command, and this sorry program. No, here is the program is trying to run. As I have no GPU, I am running it on CPU, so it might take time. And here, as you can see, email sent to successfully Jalal Salim at 786. Email has been sent to me. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to draw a threshold line like this. And after that, we need to draw a region of interest for box count like this, using mouse function, which is already having OpenCV. And then we will use uh, comp sorry drawing the region of interest for the brush count. Okay, as you can see, conveyor belt has been on. And when box is in that region, this will be highlighted, as you can see. And the object has been incremented with 1, because and whenever it is also highlighted. This is not connected with the STM32. And as you can see, it is now dehighlighted. So so just press the Q button to quit the video. And we can see serial port has been closed. And the frames at 7 fps video saved to that directory. And email successful sent to the Jalasim 786. So let's view the output video. Here is the implemented output video. Is it see box in the box, that motor will be on. And whenever the uh, brush is in the brush ROI, and whenever the brush is in the brush ROI, that motor on. And it pushes. So now let's see whether our email has been sent to us or not. We will open the email. As you can see, we got a detection started email. Let's open it. And it is telling us object detection started. Here is the time, and here is the video source that we are using. And here is the email. When the detection has been stopped, you can see the session started, the date, the time, the start end time, the end date, the how much the duration, and how statistics, like how many boxes or brush or count detected. And here is the CSV file which is saved. Let's see, open it. Here you can see we have the start date, start time, box count, brush count, comb count, end date, and end time. This will making in loop the stakeholders so that they could take action according to the data. Because without seeing the data, our prediction might be wrong. So to take to make the stakeholders in the loop, I built this. So guys, that's from my side. I hope you will enjoy this project, and kindly give your give your comment about this project, and let's add more functionalities in this project because I want to take this another level. Thank you very much.